Hey guys, I wanted to pop on real quick because I am about to start a 60-hour reboot and I haven't been on for a few days filming my what I eat in a day, and so I thought I would pop on and just give you guys a little update. I had a whoosh last night. Yay me. So I am starting this reboot at 200.6. So hopefully this reboot will get me under the 200s. So I am super pumped about that. I am drinking Heart Tart this morning. That's what came in my box. Yeah, I think so. Heart Tart and Mitoplex. And I had my 2 signals this morning. So yeah, I am ready to start this reboot. I still have a bit of the cold left. It's pretty much just the cough. And so occasionally I will still cough. It's not the greatest. It's still kind of in my lungs, so it's hard for me to breathe with my asthma. And so at nighttime it's really rough because I'm up coughing and all of that kind of stuff. And even if I take my inhaler, it's still kind of rough. So up with that. So I haven't been sleeping the greatest, so last night when I was like sweating to death because of the whoosh, I'm like, wow, okay, so I'm up coughing, and then I'm up, like, basically, I almost felt like at 3 a.m. that I needed to go and have a shower. That's how much I was sweating. Even kicking off all the blankets. Then I was too cold, so then I put 1 blanket on. It was really, quite rough. So, but I made it through, and I lost 4 pounds overnight, pretty much. So, yeah. I am just heading into work. We are doing the... Why are you in that lane if you're going that slow, buddy? There's one of those like big tractor-y things, and he's in like the far right lane. Hey, there's a hot air balloon today. Yay. So anyways, or the far left lane, I should say, because I'm in the far right lane. But anyways, I had the whoosh, which is awesome. That's a nice way to start off a reboot, is to have a whoosh first, and then now we're going to, okay buddy, and then now we're going to head into the reboot just about at one of my goals, which is awesome. So I am at the restaurant. I'm just backing up towards the trailer. There we go. So anyways, I thought I would pop on and just give you guys a little update. I'm going to do this reboot. I'm not going to film it, so I won't be on for a couple more days. And then we will get back to real life. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a few days.